Hi there, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. In this video, I will be covering ETHLend, which aims to enable decentralized lending globally by allowing crypto-to-crypto borrowing. Please note we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis and not investment advice. ETHLend aims to enable global decentralized lending. All borrowings will be secured by cryptocurrencies as collateral. Everything will be done through smart contracts so that the whole process can be done in a trustless and transparent fashion. Because transactions are done on the Ethereum network, no middlemen are involved. Interest rates do not vary based on where users live. The rates, premiums, and conditions are solely decided by the participants. One of the goals of the platform is to provide users easy access to finance, with the ability to borrow even if there are no banks around, as users can lend to each other. Sample use cases include participating in ICOs by borrowing Ether using a user's existing cryptocurrency holding, margin trading by increasing leverage, financing for blockchain startups for ICO marketing by pledging tokens, and unleashing the Ether locked in ENS domains. For example, a borrower could use a domain such as news.eth as collateral for a loan. ETHLend allows both crypto-pegged and fiat-pegged loans, depending on the user's needs. Here is a screenshot of their demo, which you can access on their website and try it out yourself. Essentially, loans on the platform are set up with smart contracts with an ERC20 token as collateral. If the borrower repays the loan, the lender receives the original principal plus interest. If the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender receives the tokens which the borrower pledged as collateral. The collateral may be other cryptocurrencies such as Basic Attention Token, Golem, Rex, and so on. The alpha has been live on the mainnet since the second quarter of 2017. The team has a number of things planned for the next 2 years, which is dependent on whether they are able to reach their fundraising target. In the fourth quarter of this year, they will enable US dollar-based loans and installments. In the first half of 2018, some of the things they have planned include on-demand and crowd lending, decentralized credit ratings, a user experience upgrade, and enabling the use of Bitcoin for lending. In the second half of the year, they will follow with another UX upgrade, protocols to enable artificial intelligence, big data, and prediction markets to assess credit risk and allow lending of other altcoins and tokens. And in 2019 and beyond, they will introduce a protocol to enable insurance policies, enable competitive bidding on interest rates between lenders, and they plan to expand beyond the Ethereum network. ETHLend will be raising funds in an upcoming ICO that will be launched on November 25th. The team aims to raise 37,600 Ether during the token sale, which is around $13.5 million. The standard conversion rate is 1 Ether for 25,000 Lend tokens. For earlier contributors, the conversion rate is better, so please take note of this ICO's bonus structure. The maximum cap for minting is 1 billion tokens, and the maximum market cap on a fully diluted basis will be $18 million based on the current Ether price. The tokens will be distributed immediately after contribution and will be tradable after the end of the ICO. This chart here shows how the team intends to use the funds. Around 50% will be used for the platform's development, 20% for management and legal, and another 20% for marketing. Please check out their website for the most up-to-date information on their token sale and to register for the whitelist if you are interested in participating. There are several use cases for the Lend tokens. First, as a discount on fees. Lend token holders will get a 25% reduction on platform fees, such as fees for loan requests and loan funding, compared to paying with Ether. This incentivizes users to use the tokens. Second, the tokens can be used to reward active lenders and borrowers. ETHLend will use 20% of the decentralized application fees to purchase tokens from the market. They will airdrop the tokens to all the lenders and borrowers on their platform based on the previous period's volume. Third, certain functions will only be accessible with Lend tokens. These functions include featured loan listings and email marketing campaigns for new loan requests. And finally, ETHLend will purchase Lend tokens to reward lenders, borrowers, and third parties who introduce new participants onto the platform. So in summary, Lend tokens are used to perform different actions on the platform and to receive discounted fees. 20% of the fees generated by the platform will also be used to purchase Lend tokens on the market. Therefore, as usage and volume on the platform increases, the more valuable Lend tokens should be. ETHLend has a pretty large team of at least 27 people based on their website, most of whom we believe work on a part-time basis. This slide here lists some of the key members of the team who have experience in startups, fintech, and blockchain technology. Advisors of the project include the founding director of Bitcoin Foundation, who is a veteran in the fintech space, the associate professor of the University of St. Thomas School of Law, the co-founder and CEO of Limpo, the co-founder of Zencash, and so on. ETHLend also has strategic partners such as Digix Global, Bloom, and IDO. Some of the opportunities we wanted to highlight. First of all, the Alpha platform is already live and users have been borrowing and lending on the platform. The project is already ahead in development compared to other ICO projects and gives us comfort on the team's execution capability. We believe the biggest use case, at least in the beginning, is probably margin trading. With the amount of speculation that is going on in crypto investing and the increasing popularity of cryptocurrency, ETHLend is in a good position to benefit from this uptrend. We believe there will be a tokenization of different assets in the future, such as real estate, shares, intellectual property, and so on. This makes the use cases of ETHLend much broader than it is now. For example, users may potentially be able to refinance their properties on ETHLend if those assets can be tokenized. And finally, holders of various cryptocurrencies can earn additional income by lending their holdings out. The default risk is mitigated as long as the loan is fully collateralized. And a few of our concerns we wanted to point out. First, the platform only deals with crypto-to-crypto lending, so it is not as convenient for people who want a loan in fiat. This somewhat limits them, as other blockchain projects are looking to provide crypto-to-fiat or fiat-to-fiat lending. However, it also means that there will be less regulatory risks for ETHLend compared to other blockchain projects. The team members are quite young, and while they have experience in startups, fintech, and blockchain technology, they may not have prior experience in the lending space. It may be worthwhile for them to consider seeking an advisor with expertise in that space. And finally, the ICO is only available through the IDO platform, so users will need to download and fund the IDO wallet before contributing to this ICO. There is a bit of a learning curve involved, so this may deter some potential investors. So for flipping, we have a positive view at the moment. The market currently likes low-cap projects, and ETHLend is one of the more promising projects with their working alpha already on the mainnet and pretty high market awareness. 6% of the tokens were sold earlier with a 20% bonus, but we believe it should not have much impact to the overall structure. And judging from what happened to the Oracle's Network ICO last week, ETHLend should not have a problem selling out. For long-term holding, we also have a positive view. ETHLend is a crypto-to-crypto platform, so the use cases may seem limited right now, but we believe tokenization of real assets will become more prevalent in the future, and ETHLend has a good chance to become a market leader in this space. Combined with a low market cap, ETHLend has good long-term upside if the team can deliver on what they have set out in their technical roadmap. Thank you for watching our video on ETHLend. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter for the latest updates on cryptocurrency investments. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for your support. If you have anything to add, please leave us a comment below. See you next time, and I hope you'll keep on crushing your crypto game.